everybody, it's me Peach. I'm here to review and have a makeup tutorial for this one. Juvia's Nubian palette. The Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Look at the shadows here. It's humongous. It's really huge. I already did my one eye right here, and I want to show you how I did it. Alright, first I'm gonna go take this brush and take Morocco right here and put in the blending brush and put it in here on the socket of your eye and blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. And then I'm gonna go take Jezebel here. And I'm gonna put it right here. Here and there. It's hard without the mirror on the palette actually. It's better to have a mirror on the palette. Alright, let me do this. Right here, right there. The other corner, right there. Just stomp it, not do anything just yet. Like so. Keep on doing that. Then I'm gonna go grab my concealer to put on the center because I want to do this like a halo, what you guys call it, is it halo? Right there on the center. Then spread it with a finger or get some brush. I'm wiping some of the concealer on my hand on a tissue. And I'm gonna go grab this Nairobi right here. Put in the finger. See how pigmented it is? And put it right there. Then I'm gonna go grab another brush, blend on the edges up there. There. How was it? What else should I do? I think I'm gonna go grab some of the Layla right here. It's a dark one. See? Oh, I dipped my finger, my nail over there. Oh, so sad. Anyways, it's okay. I'm gonna go grab some, this one, blending brush. and dip on there. So I want to have like a darken right here when the purple is it purple? I want to dark this on the edges that I made. There. There. Then I'm gonna wipe the excess so I can blend it all together. Not all together, I mean right here on the crease. Oh, is it dark? It's pigmented. Oh. Blending, blending. If you see that some of the yellow disappear, you have to grab your finger and grab the Nairobi again and put it in there. Alrighty, I'm done with this. I'm going back. I'll be back after I'm done putting my eyelashes, my eyeliner, my foundation, and everything for the face. Okay, I'll be back.